How to schedule a message on iOS 18. iOS 18 has not yet received a stable version. It is expected that the stable version of iOS 18 will be available in the last quarter of 2024. However, users of newer iPhone devices have been granted access to the beta version of iOS 18. I have installed this system on my phone, and today I will show you the long-awaited function Schedule SMS on iPhone. From now on, you won't need third-party apps to schedule send SMS. This very useful feature will be built into iOS 18. Let's get started. Although it is a beta version of iOS 18, the way this feature works will be the same on the stable version. So, open the built-in SMS messaging app and create a message to send. I will write a simple message for demonstration purposes. Then, click on the plus sign located to the left of the message. Click on the More button, and additional options will open. Select the Send Later option. Choose the date and time when you want this SMS message to be sent to your contact. Click on the arrow to schedule the sending of the message. The message will be framed with a dashed line, indicating that it has not yet been sent. The message will be sent at the scheduled time. What do you think of this new feature? Write to us in the comments. See you in the next video.